Hello everyone, you are connected to your English class. Today we are going to go through chapter 14 and the topic is reported speech. Reported speech means when we report or say or tell something to someone. And here are two types of reported speech: direct speech. In direct speech, we present the exact words spoken by the speaker. And the second form is indirect speech, in which we use our own words to express the words of the speaker. Now let's go for the rules. Here we are with the changes that is to be done to convert from direct speech to indirect speech. If we are having direct speech in is, am and are, what do? We will change it in was and were. And if was and were is given, we will go with had been. May will be converted into might. Simple present first form plus s or es, it will be converted into simple past. Simple past indicates second form of the verb. Present perfect means has, have plus third form of the verb, and it will convert it into had plus third form means past perfect. Simple past is here. I will explain it later on. First see, has, have will be converted into had, and will, shall is given, it will go with would and should. Can will go with could. Present continuous will go with past continuous tense. It means is, am, are will go with was, were first form plus ing. Present perfect continuous tense is given, then it will go with past perfect continuous. All the presents are going with past tense and past continuous with past perfect continuous. Let's have a look at the use of past tense and how do we make changes in past tense in a simplified manner. Let's go for that. Students, here I have written all the four types of past tense: simple past tense, past continuous, past perfect tense and past perfect continuous. They come in this sequence. Now, in order to change from direct to indirect, if you want to change from direct to indirect speech, what would you do? It's simple. You will make use of simple past tense with past perfect tense and just give this cross multiplication of past continuous tense with past perfect continuous tense. Okay, then you will face no confusion. Simple past will go with past perfect tense 1:3. Past continuous will follow past perfect continuous means 2:4. Similarly, we see that this will be converted into that, here, there, now, then, tonight, that night, yesterday, the previous day. Yesterday means the day that is gone. Ago, before. These, those. Hence, thence. Today. Today means the present day. That day, tomorrow. The next day. Tomorrow means the coming day. The next day. And the next, the following. You have to keep all these changes in your mind. Otherwise, your change will go wrong. Now let's see change in pronouns. How do we make use of change in pronouns? Because we have read that if the reporting verb is in present tense and in future tense, no doubt the tense won't remain changed in reported speech. But change in pronouns takes place. So we have to be very much careful regarding change in pronouns. So let's learn them. Here we are with the changes in pronouns. Let us start with first person pronoun. First person pronoun relates to I and we. I and we, wherever we are finding I and we in reported speech, it will be changed according to the subject. It will be changed according to the subject. Let's sort out the examples. Here, direct speech, Sham says, comma, inverted commas begin, I love my country. Now, in order to convert it into indirect, what will we do? Sham says, at the place of comma and inverted comma, we will apply that. Sham says that. Now here we will notice that first person pronoun is given. So it will be changed according to the subject. The subject is Sham, and for Sham, which pronoun do we make use of? He. He loves, and my will be changed according to he से बन जाएगा he loved his country. He loves his country. Now class, a question arises, why I don't change the tense here? The tense in reported speech won't get changed. Present will go with present. It won't go with past because the reporting verb is in the present tense. Okay. So you have to also keep it in mind. Rohini said. Now the reporting verb is in the past tense. So the tense in the reported speech will get changed. Rohini said, I will go to market. Now we will convert it into indirect. Rohini said that. Rohini said that. Now again I is given here and I will be converted according to the subject, and subject is Rohini. So we will go with pronoun she. Rohini said that she. Now will be changed according to would. That she would go to market. Here we will write that she would go to market. Okay. Now the next is, my friends said, comma, inverted commas begin, we have read the books. Now here we will convert it into indirect. My friends said that. Now here again we are having first person pronoun and it will go with the subject. So subject is my friends. My friends is a subject here. So which pronoun do we make use of? They. That they. Now have will be converted into had. They had read the books. Okay. Now let's go with second person pronoun. In second person pronoun we get you, your, yours, and second person pronoun changes according to the object. Students, objects relates to the listener, जिससे हम बात कर रहे हैं. Subject is the door of the action, जो काम को करता है, and object is the listener, जिससे हम बात करते हैं. So let's see. In direct speech we are having, she said to me, comma, inverted comma begin, you have done your duty. Now we will notice that here it is in past tense, so the tense inside the reported speech will get changed, and here we are having second person pronoun you, so it will change according to the object जिससे बात की जा रही है. She said to me. Now we will go with she told me. She told me. At the place of comma and inverted comma we will go with that. She told me that. Now you, at the place of you, what would you do? Me will convert into I. That I have will be changed according to had. I had done. At the place of your, my. I had done my duty. I had done my duty. Okay. In the next sentence we are having, Mani said to Kapila, you spoil the task. Now again it is in reporting, verb is in past tense, so the tense inside the reported speech will get changed, and here the subject is in second person pronoun, so it will go with the object. This is the subject, this is the subject, this is the verb, and this is the object. So we will go with the object. Now we will sort it out. Mani Mani told Kapila that at the place of you, Kapila is a girl, so we will go with pronoun she. She spoiled. First form will convert into second form. She spoiled the task. Now let's go for the changes in third person pronoun. Here we are having third person pronouns. Third person pronouns relates to he, she, it and they. He, she, it for singular and they for plural. Now students, notice that if you are finding he, she, it and they at the first place in reported speech, no change will take place. Like, she said to me, comma, inverted commas begin, she is not well. So we see she told me, said to will be converted into told. She told me that. Now वो अपने ही बारे में बात कर रही है. She is talking about herself. So no change will be there. That she was not well. Okay. In the next example, what do we see? We see the shopkeeper said to the lady, he will not open the shop. Now students, you will notice that here he is given, third person pronoun is given and no change will occur because the shopkeeper is talking about himself. The shopkeeper told the lady that he won't change here, that he would not open the shop. So class, this was your practice of how to make use of pronouns, first, second and third person pronouns, and how do we change in reported speech. I hope the topic is clear to you. Just go through the video once again and catch the topic carefully. Thank you class. Good.